Hello everyone, it's Morgan and we are packing. I am leaving bright and early tomorrow morning, so of course I have to wait till now to pack because I literally cannot pack unless it's last minute. Something about it, I can't do it. It's Friday at 9:49 p.m. right now, and I'm going to leave at 7 a.m. tomorrow, so let's get started. First, I should probably rip off my previous luggage tag. Not that it really matters because I'm just driving, so I'm going on a little summer road trip, and I go up north every summer to the UP, so the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. It's like a 6-hour drive. I don't need that much. It's a pretty chill, low-key weekend, so I'm just gonna bring a bunch of comfortable bodysuits, sweatpants, sweatshirts, things like that. Comfort, but also stylish, right? Jackets. I wanna look cute because look good, feel good, right? I think I'm gonna wear this in the car tomorrow. I'm gonna drive at least the beginning, and it's very new. It's the Aritzia Wilfred Free Divinity 7-inch romper. I just got it, so I haven't worn it yet, so I think I'm gonna leave this out. I've made countless packing videos, so I wish I could tell you I'm the packing queen by now. However, I change up how I pack every single time. Right now, I'm just going through, I went through my clothing rack. I'm gonna grab my favorite sweatshirts, any t-shirts I might want to wear. Gotta bring this whenever I go to a new state. I thrive off the basics. Seriously, seriously. I'm actually gonna do a video all about my favorite basics pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. It's also much cooler in the UP. It's gonna be low 70s all week, so I'm gonna make sure to bring my favorite ever sweatpants. Let me tell you about them. I don't know if I want sneakers and Converse or just Converse. I really rarely need jeans when we go there, but I always feel the need to bring some. You know, it's whenever you go somewhere, you're okay, do I really need a sweatshirt? But you bring it in case. Or this case, do I really need jeans? But I'm just gonna bring it. Okay, here we are. Everything laid out. I know I have way too much, but who doesn't overpack, you know? This isn't the kind of trip that I plan outfits for. When I went to New York, I was okay, outfit for this day, outfit for this day. So I have hats for sure, some tennis shoes of course, jeans, couple casual pants and sweatpants, couple bodysuits just because they're so comfy and I love them. I'm so into sweat shorts, couple biker shorts and a little skirt because this will be fun to golf in. We go golfing a lot and I'm so excited. Some t-shirts, some pajama pants, a couple sweatshirts, a jacket, a couple t-shirts, 2 dresses. I have this Halara activewear dress, so that'll be good golfing too. And then I just have a long sleeve plain dress, some bralettes, a swimsuit, and a jean jacket. It doesn't sound like I have too many unnecessary things. I just have a lot of things, so I'm there for a week. You know, it's good though. It's good. I'm gonna start putting everything in, but let me show you the sweatpants because I love them. I just got a second pair. I wore my first pair to the airport when I was traveling all day to Boston, and they were so good. Okay, my favorite sweatpants ever. These are by the brand OGL for 2 main reasons I'm obsessed with them. Okay, one, they have the perfect bagginess level, and they don't get super tight at my ankles like joggers because these are sweatpants, not joggers, and that's how I wanted them. But also, they have the most comfortable waistband ever, okay? It has this extra lining. It's so comfortable. It's not too tight. It just sits good. So this is my new pair. I got them in black. I also have them in a beige color. I'll show you that next. But they also have these super cute little high neck, high cut tanks that I love. I am obsessed with this combination by OGL. I think I have 15% off. These are the other sweatpants. You can see the band a little bit better on this one. This is the limestone color. It's just seriously so comfortable. They're not super thick or anything, which I didn't want them to be, and they're not heavy lined or whatever, so it'll be good for the up north weather where it's still summer, but it's not freezing, if that makes sense. Everything's looking good. This is honestly going a lot faster than I thought it would. I'm gonna pack my toiletries in the morning because I am gonna wake up early and shower, but I always use the base cosmetic bag that I'm obsessed with. You may or may not know that by now. I also have, let me show you. This, which is their DOP kit. So usually I'll do all my makeup and stuff in this one, and then I'll do skincare and all the hygienic things, all the toiletries in this one. However, like I said, it's a pretty low-key weekend, so I don't think I'll be bringing that much in terms of makeup and stuff, so it should all fit in here. And this is a really nice material inside where it's really easy to clean and stuff. I literally am just so in love with Base. I wish so bad that this was sponsored or anything was sponsored by them. I have so many dedicated videos on their products because I love them, so you can check those out if you're interested in their line. But I get get everything in their beige color because I am such a beige girl. Basically everything's packed. I have my outfit for the car. I'm gonna do toiletries in the morning, and I'm bringing you with kind of on the road trip. So I guess I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. Instead of leaving at 7, yeah, I didn't go to bed till after 1, so instead I woke up at 7 and I needed to shower and stuff. I didn't have to leave by 7 because like I needed to be there for anything. I just like wanted to leave early, so. But my toiletries are basically all together right here, so let's go pack them. Suitcase is all zipped up. Toiletries are like under this, you know, under my underwear and stuff. I actually ended up packing my base backpack. This wasn't originally my plan, but I did. I also wanted to separate like my electronics, laptop, and iPad in this padded sleeve. So it's just good to bring this backpack. I don't know. I love this backpack, and I ended up needing the room. So, you know, it really is hard to not overpack. It just is. Golf clubs, baby. I'm very excited to play golf. I'm gonna wait for the other luggage to organize. My cute little clubs fit so nice in the back. I love it. They're literally junior size because the women's size were too big, but the kids were too small. I'm literally 5'1", so like I got junior size and they're amazing. We are ready. We are out of here. See you in a week. Lovely home. I grabbed a couple slices of watermelon and it's this Premier protein shake, cake batter. Ooh, so good. We are gonna stop for coffee, of course. Like, don't even worry. Don't even second guess it. Like, you know who we are, don't worry. Okay, had to get a little messy, but we're done with the back. And we are fully stocked and loaded on the inside. Most me thing ever is that we're all packed up and ready to go and I can't find my keys. Before I pull out of the driveway, I want to show you this new wallet because it's so good for traveling, and I'm traveling right now, clearly. This is by Andar. I've worked with Andar so many times, and they have just restocked this item, which is why I'm sharing it with you. It's called the Pilot. Okay, let me show you why it's so cool, though. So it's like this little, nice, compact wallet, so it's super, like, easy, fits nice in your pocket, your purse, whatever, but, so this front little pocket is for, like, your ID. This has, like, a cash strap, obviously, but inside is your card. When you switch the little button, all the cards fan out, so it's super cool because then you don't have to like look or whatever. Or sometimes for me, I like don't like to get my nails in there, whatever. I actually got this for my boyfriend because I thought it would be perfect for him. They did just restock this. You can use the code PRIME in all caps for 25% off their entire site. My keys, actually. I just showed you that I lost my keys, but we found my keys. My little like mini lanyard thing that I use, that's by Andar too. I have like a backpack from them. I don't know, I just really like them. They're like a really good leather goods company. So sharing the little restock with you. Also, since it's like a good material, you want to upkeep it, whatever, with the wallet came this little like leather cream thing, so we need to kind of like lather this up to protect it because I haven't yet, and you probably should like right away. It restores, it's for waterproof, and it's protecting, so that is good, and I think this is so cool. They do have a bunch of different colors too. Andar, baby, love them. Hello, what can I get for you? Hi, I have a mobile order for Morgan. Here's the bagel. So good, bacon, egg, and cheese on an everything bagel. And let's try the coffee. I just got like a large iced coffee. Lately, I have not really been able to handle a large, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna be in the car for 6 hours, so I might as well get a large. They also have not had any flavors lately that have impressed me, so I just got vanilla. But that being said, you just still never know if it's gonna be good or not, even if you're getting a plain iced coffee, so let's try it. It'll do. Okay, I should probably map where I'm going because I literally don't know. Much better. We finally just made our first stop. We're 2 hours in and I was going to pee in my pants. So we pulled up to this actually, you know, really nice gas station. I kind of have a fear of gas stations, so this was good. This was nice. Now we're gonna hop back on the road and get lunch soon. I'm taking a poll. Give me your stance on Arby's. Yeah, I need to know. You have to comment.
Oh yeah.
With the haul. Nothing sounded good for lunch, so we ran into Quick Trip. Quick Trip is the best gas station ever, probably one of the top perks of the Midwest. Is it only Midwest? Yeah, I think so. He got these, I got these combos where it's at. He also got wings and I got a egg burrito. They have like a lot of like hot food and stuff. Oh, and the chocolate milk. I didn't really know what I wanted. I love a good breakfast burrito, and not that it's like that crazy. Like, it's not like it's a gourmet burrito. It's literally just eggs and sausage probably, but No, there is green and red peppers and cheddar cheese in a creamy cheese sauce. Oh, Quick Trip, you're too good to us. 2.5 hours left. We're in Eagle River, Wisconsin right now, if you know where that is. A lot of people go here for like up north-ish things. The time zone has changed. We went from Central to Eastern. Another question, survey poll I need to know, is Avril Lavigne dead? Which side are you on? What's your take on the conspiracy? Comment below. About to enter the bridge. When I was little, the bridge was always like a significant part of the drive. Like, oh my gosh, there's a bridge, we're getting close. And turn left. And it's just a cool little like UP thing. It's like the UP bridge. What's it called? Bridge. That was exciting. That was fun. That was cute. So we come up here every summer. It's a very like historical place. It's not like poppin' like it used to be. It was a very big like mining town. We've had family here and we still have like a house and stuff. So that's why we come up here every year. And I just love it. It's like chill and pretty low key. We do a lot of like traditions and stuff. So it's cute. It's fun. Very wholesome, like heartwarming type of a thing. Okay, we're about to pull in the driveway. I'm gonna go have fun with my family for the next week. Thanks for packing with me, tripping with me. I should not say it like that. Road tripping with me. Subscribe if you're not already, and I love you, and okay, bye.